Okay, so from this page, you will find the list of all the levels, and all you have to do is just select one, then start teaching. So once you have selected the level, then all you have to do is look for the lesson, for the material that you would like to teach, and simply click on it. To go from one page to the other, you could simply click on the page itself or drag it. You also have the option to bookmark pages. Have a look at the thumbnails just in case you want to skip certain pages. You also have the option to zoom in or zoom out, and of course have this page displayed in full screen. You also have the option to open up the teacher's guide on another tab and then go from one page to the other if you would like further guidance.